In the tumultuous heart of 16th-century France, the country was torn apart by the fierce clash of faiths, the Protestant Reformation and the Catholic Church. One pivotal moment in this religious conflict occurred on the battlefield of Dreux. On October 23, 1562, the Catholic forces of Charles, Duke of Guise, and the Protestant army of Admiral Coligny faced each other, their swords gleaming under the autumn sun. The tension hung heavy in the air, as the two sides prepared for a clash that would shape the future of France. The Protestants, led by Admiral Coligny, sought religious freedom and an end to the persecution they had faced for years. The Catholics, on the other hand, were determined to crush the growing Protestant movement and maintain the power and influence of the Church. As the armies locked shields, the battle raged across the fields of Dreux. The clash of steel, the cries of the wounded, and the prayers of the dying filled the air. The day was long and brutal, and by its end, both sides had suffered heavy losses. In the midst of the chaos, the Duke of Guise, a towering figure on the battlefield, was fatally wounded. His death dealt a significant blow to the Catholic forces, as they lost their most formidable leader. The Protestants, despite their losses, emerged victorious. The Battle of Dreux was a turning point in the French religious wars, marking the beginning of the end for the Catholic League and the rise of Protestant influence in France. The aftermath of the battle was a testament to the devastation wrought by religious conflict. The people of France looked on in horror as the country they loved was torn apart by the clash of faiths. The Battle of Dreux served as a stark reminder of the consequences of religious division. It was a lesson that would not be forgotten, as France continued to struggle with the religious turmoil for decades to come. But it was also a beacon of hope for the Protestants, who saw in their victory a chance for a brighter future. The Battle of Dreux was more than just a battle, it was a defining moment in the history of France, a moment that would shape the course of the country for generations to come. It was a moment that demonstrated the power of faith, the cost of conflict, and the enduring spirit of the human spirit in the face of adversity.